Welcome to a video about CustReq supply request. First, we have to log in to CustReq with your credentials. So in this scenario, I already provided my credentials and my password, and I sign in. After signing in, it will take me to the dashboard where you can see supply request, service request, transport request, pending actions on the right, and I will have my dashboard options, my catalog, my requests, administration, my shopping cart, how to contact the NDSS service desk, and get a user manual. To start a supply request, I can click on Browse Catalog or go to Catalog here. So let's choose Browse Catalog. And I can select any category or the category I would like to filter on. For example, I will use office equipment, and automatically the system will load all the items that are loaded under the category office equipment. So we need to be aware that I am now logged in with a customer code C034. Now, with your profile, you can have access to one customer code or multiple customer codes. This depends on the profile and setup of your different customer codes. Now, as mentioned, I'm now customer code C034, and I have access to the different categories. And to start a new supply request, I am browsing through the different items here. I can scroll down, and as soon as I found what I'm looking for, I can just say, okay, I need these magnet rounds, multicolored, and say add to cart. Then you will see on the left that one item has been added to my shopping cart. We can also filter on description and you'll see the different descriptions with the name folder and the extended description, which is underlying with the item. For example, for this folder hanging, folio 50, I would like to order 5. So I'm just saying plus, add to cart, and you will see now that in my shopping cart I have 2 different items. It will also show me the total price of 190 euros and 86 cents. So I will continue shopping. I need 3 of A4 yellow folders, add to shopping cart, and I can search again on the category. I need some glass cleaners, 2 of them. I need some all-purpose cleaner. And then I decide that this is my request. Then I click on my shopping cart and it will open up the whole cart as I previously requested all these items to be added to my shopping cart. I see all the different items, the quantity, the price, and I see the total price of my requirement, €237.29. And here I can submit my request by clicking on Create Draft Request. I click on it. I can give it a priority, the need by date, and by changing the priority, it will also change the need by date. If I would make it a 02, it is change the need by date. I can put in the justification. I can put a user note. The person who requested it. I can either attach a document, maybe with a statement of need or any other document to support my requirement. I can update, cancel the request, delete request, or in my scenario, I would like to submit it for approval. By clicking Submit for approval, it will go to the next authority for the requirement to be approved. So I'm now finalizing my supply request. I have a total of €237.29 and a couple of items in my cart, and I now want to submit it. So submit for approval. It's asking me now if I am sure that I want to submit this request for approval. Yes, I am sure. And in this scenario, you can see that there has not been an authority after the submission of my request. There could be an authority that needs to approve my request in CustReq. It can also be set up in such a way that it will be approved and it will be directly sent to NDSS. To find out, I go to my requests, and you will see that my request that I have just submitted for €237.29 has been approved. So when I submitted my request, it went through the approval authority and the approval process, and it has been approved. If I now want to see my request, I click on more details on the right here. It will open up my request. I see all the different items within my request. The customer code C034 as previously mentioned. And this is the supply request.